Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Is Solana following Ethereum? Sol price continues slump versus Bitcoin. Next, restaking will spark the next big rush of money into crypto. Also, Ton, Curve Finance team up on stablecoin swap initiative. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline is Solana following Ethereum. Sol price continues slump versus Bitcoin. Solana needs to hold above the crucial $120 support to avoid a potential correction below $100, according to the market analysts. Solana's price could see more downside against Bitcoin as analysts draw similarities to the Ether price slump against Bitcoin. Can Solana hold above the 120 support? Sol to BTC headed for more downside, says analyst. Solana's price could see more downside against Bitcoin's price, according to Benjamin Cohen, CEO and founder of Into the Cryptoverse. Cohen wrote in a September 17th X post, Sol maxis are too busy laughing at ETH to recognize that Sol to BTC is just following ETH to BTC. Cohen's analysis comes a day after Ether's price against Bitcoin hit a 3.5-year low last seen in 2021. Others fear more potential downside for Solana, including pseudonymous trader Crypto Holder, whose technical analysis suggests a potential correction below $100. They shared the below chart in a September 17th X post. Can Solana hold above 120 support? Despite the concerns over potential correction, others expect a trend reversal, including popular analyst Atlas, who wrote in a September 16th X post, "Think we are setting up for reversal trend by weekly close." Others believe that the Solana chart is in a much better shape than Ethereum, including crypto analyst Patrick H., who wrote in a September 17th X post, "We can see a clear support area between 125 and 118 that continues to hold during major market corrections. That is a clear buying area for me, with invalidation tight below 118. However, Solana would need to rise above 162 for a potential upside breakout, which remains a significant resistance," added the analyst. Popular crypto trader Wagamasaurus Rex also remains optimistic about Sol's price as long as it holds the 120 support the trader shared in a September 17th X post. Solana's price remains over 48% down from its all-time high of 260, recorded 3 years ago on November 6, 2021. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, restaking will spark the next big rush of money into crypto. Platforms including EigenLayer, Symbiotic, and Carrick are charting new territory on the frontier of restaking. Institutional investors are finally embracing cryptocurrency staking, and not a moment too soon. Restaking, a more versatile approach to securing blockchain protocols, is already reshaping Web3. It will transform crypto investing and propagate a completely new asset class in financial markets. Staking involves securing blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche by posting crypto as collateral with validators in exchange for network fees. Restaking extends the same crypto-economic security across the entire Web3 ecosystem, from Layer 2 scaling networks to Web3 protocols and off-chain apps. Restaking platforms such as EigenLayer, Symbiotic, and Carrick collectively command almost $13.5 billion worth of restaked crypto collateral, according to data from DeFi Llama. EigenLayer is the largest by far, commanding nearly $11 billion in total value locked, or TVL, as of September 17th. Already, Restaking platforms secure dozens of decentralized apps or actively validated services, or AVS, in eigenlayers parlance. So far, only one AVS eigenlayer's own data storage and management protocol, EigenDA, is paying rewards. More will start soon. ARPA Network, an AVS specializing in trustless random number generation, told Cointelegraph it plans to start paying restakers as soon as September. Expect more dApps, such as Lagrange state committees and alt-layer MATIC, to join the fray. Two-sided marketplace. Restaking is creating a two-sided marketplace for raw crypto economic security. A16Z general partner Ali Yahya wrote on X, on the demand side, dApps and others seeking on-chain security. On the supply side, retail and institutional restakers who post crypto collateral and earn a cut of protocol revenues in return. The restaking marketplace is incredibly rich and evolving daily. Restakers can choose from at least 10 restaking protocols and dozens of collateral tokens, including ETH and its liquid staking derivatives, or LSD, wrapped Bitcoin, and native protocol tokens such as Eigenlayers Eigen. Restakers also need to choose which AVSs they want to secure and then delegate restake tokens to a node operator. Eigenlayer has 1,500. Alternatively, they can deposit into a restaking pool in exchange for a liquid restaking token, or LRT. There are at least 20 LRT protocols to choose from. Adding to the complexity, on September 10th, Eigenlayer unveiled an upgraded security model designed to bind restaking returns to the performance of specific AVSs. Each AVS has its own business model and sets its own terms rewarding and penalizing, slashing validators. The inevitable result will be a restaking marketplace where the cost of capital, in this case for crypto economic security, varies dynamically based on risk to reward trade-offs for each AVS. The risk-prone investor restakes into new, risky, high-yield AVSs and is happy, and the risk-averse investor puts his money into blue-chip AVSs, decentralized finance or DeFi protocol, Byzantine Finance, which specializes in restaking strategies, said in a September 11th post on X. Emerging asset class. If this sounds like the makings of a new asset class, you might be onto something. DeFi protocols like Byzantine are developing restaking strategies with targeted risk exposure. Institutional staking services and custodians such as Figment and Anchorage Digital Bank are supporting restaking. Investment managers are following suit. Nomura's crypto arm, Laser Digital, announced plans to start restaking in April. S&P Global, a market researcher, expects restaking eventually may create an internet bond market. Restaking, unlike staking, is not a specific investment, but rather an investment class, Byzantine Finance wrote in a blog post. This isn't a passing fad. Web3 is throttled by severely limited transaction throughput on Layer 1 networks, such as Ethereum, resulting in costlier transactions and slower confirmation times. Restaking is one of the most promising solutions. It's also highly adaptable and can't be fully displaced by other emerging security methods such as zero-knowledge or ZK proofs. For now, AVSs are paying restakers with token incentives that won't last. As restaking improves network performance, on-chain activity will continue to climb. Revenues will follow. The only way this makes sense long-term is if restaking networks get customers, and those customers, directly or indirectly, pay money for the services that these other restaking networks provide. Liquid Restaking Protocol Ether.fi CEO Mike Silligadez said in August. But on the flip side, I think it's inevitable, he added. Our next top headline, Ton Curve Finance team up on stablecoin swap initiative. The partnership introduces Curve Finance's CFMM technology to Ton, optimizing stablecoin swaps with reduced price volatility and slippage. The TON Foundation, a nonprofit organization supporting the development of the Open Network, or TON, blockchain, has announced a partnership with Curve Finance, a decentralized exchange, or DEX. The partnership will collaborate to incubate a new TON-based stable swap project to improve user experience in stablecoin trading on the TON blockchain. The TON-based swap project will use Curve Finance's Constant Function Market Maker, or CFMM technology, known for minimizing the price impact on stablecoin and equivalent asset swaps. In a written Q&A with Cointelegraph, Vlad Degan, DeFi lead at TON Foundation, explained the implications of the CFMM tech integration. By integrating Curve's CFMM technology, TON can make trading much more accessible to those who might not already be fully embedded into the ecosystem. CFMM integration on TON. According to a press release shared with Cointelegraph, the CFMM formula allows stablecoin swaps with reduced price volatility and lower slippage, resulting in more efficient asset exchanges. Currently, projects seeking the use of Curve Finance's CFMM technology must acquire a license, making stable swaps on TON through the new project a notable feature of the partnership. The collaboration with TON Foundation aims to improve the stablecoin trading experience on TON, making TON-based trading more accessible and accelerating the blockchain's pace of adoption. Project selection process. The TON Foundation and Curve Finance will be selecting an independent team to develop the stable swap project through a public and transparent process. Michael Egorov, founder of Curve Finance, will act as advisor to the selected development team, assisting with protocol mechanics and the project's growth strategy. The selected team will have the permission to implement Curve Finance's stable swap formula into their project, with an allocation of the new project's tokens airdropped to qualified users. The stablecoin Curve. In addition to this latest partnership, Curve Finance made a shift toward its native stablecoin, CRV-USD, on June 28th in a fee distribution mechanism change from the 3CR token. The transition aimed to improve the utility of CRV-USD and the integration of the stablecoin into Curve Finance's ecosystem for incentivizing users. Egorov told Cointelegraph at the time that users would now obtain fees in a dollar-denominated stablecoin, a simpler and more stable process. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.